was saying, holy buckets of crap, it's gold! Oh. What? Yeah, this is not Domino's, but I just found a whole place of gold! No, it's not Domino's. Hello? Hello? Gold! Oh, I don't care about my cell phone. It's gold too! I'm in heaven. Some crazy guy just called me and said, this isn't Domino's. I'm just gonna say, you got the wrong number or something. It's the right thing to do. Gold! Hey, you just like called me and said about Domino's, and I just went into a room and found gold, so don't call me again, okay? Well, I was trying to call my wife, so don't ever pick up the phone again. Alright? Bye. Oh, weird. Bye.